Hi everyone, here we've got Xiaomi Redmi 9A and let me show you how to enable Google Backup on the following device. So firstly, let's open the settings, then let's scroll down because it will be at the very bottom of the list and click on Accounts and Sync and choose the Google account you've previously added. And here let's simply click on More and click on Sync Now. Let's wait a little, and after all of the components will be synchronized, the backup is finished. So that's all. This is how you perform a backup in Xiaomi Redmi 9A, and if you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.